More and more people want to invest in feed pellet production line. They want to sell feed to farmers and also produce feed for their own animals. This simple feed pellet production line not only improves the efficiency, but also saves feeding cost. It will bring much profit to your business. This feed pellet production line consists of 12 cutter, mixer, screw elevator, and pelletizer. This 12 cutter is able to chop fodder as you need. This mixer has 4 pedals, no dead area. It only takes 5 minutes for one batch. This screw elevator has adjustable inlet. You can control conveying speed. With this feed pellet production line, it is very easy for you to produce feed pellets. Let us test it. These are some corn straw and peanut seeding. Cut them. Now, put material into mixer, and the left we need to do is to wait pellets to come out. Since material is very dry, add some water in the mixer. It mixes well. Now open mixer discharge gate. Pellets comes out. We are producing cattle feed. Die is 5 mm hose. It is done now. It takes only a few minutes to produce this feed. Very high efficiency. Pellets is still hot and starch has been cooked well. After pellet cooling down, we can put it into bags, sell them or store them. If you want to invest in this feed pellet production line, please contact me. You will not be disappointed.